Did you know that something as simple as the spices in your kitchen could be your new health heroes? These tiny flavor bombs pack a punch when it comes to boosting your health. So, sit tight because we're diving into the amazing world of spices and how they can transform your well-being. Today, we're talking about spices and how they can be your best friends when it comes to health. You might think of spices as just ways to add flavor to your food, but they do so much more. From fighting inflammation to enhancing your immune system, these little ingredients have some serious health benefits. Whether you're a cooking novice or a culinary expert, incorporating spices into your diet can elevate not just the taste of your meals, but also your overall wellness. So let's explore some of the most popular spices and discover how they can be your health heroes. All right, let's get into the good stuff, the spices. First up, we have turmeric. This bright yellow spice is a superstar when it comes to anti-inflammatory properties. It contains curcumin, which is known to help reduce inflammation and fight off chronic diseases. I remember when I started adding turmeric to my smoothies. The flavor is subtle, but I felt like I was doing something good for my body. Next on the list is cinnamon. Not only does it taste amazing in your morning coffee or baked goods, but it also helps regulate blood sugar levels. There's some research suggesting that it can even help lower cholesterol. It's like a little hug for your heart. Then we have ginger, a must-have in any kitchen. Ginger is fantastic for digestion and can help alleviate nausea. I personally love making ginger tea, especially during cold seasons. It warms me right up and feels so good on my stomach. And let's not forget about garlic. This bad boy is packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties. Adding garlic to your meals could help boost your immune system, making you less prone to getting sick. I mean, who doesn't love the smell of garlic sautéing in the pan? It's the best. Now, here's a fun fact. Did you know that black pepper can enhance the absorption of other nutrients? When you add black pepper to your meals, it can help your body absorb more of those valuable nutrients from other foods. Talk about a team player. These are just a few of the spices you can easily incorporate into your daily meals. Each one brings unique benefits, so mixing it up keeps things interesting and healthy. Now, let me tell you about a friend of mine who had a pretty incredible health transformation. A couple of years ago, she was feeling sluggish, had low energy, and was often battling a cold. She decided to make a change and started researching the health benefits of spices. She began incorporating turmeric, ginger, and garlic into her meals, and after just a few weeks, she noticed a significant shift in her energy levels. But it didn't stop there. She also shared with me how she started experimenting with new recipes, discovering how spices can completely change a dish. She felt empowered and excited to cook again, and it showed. Not only did she start feeling healthier, but she also lost a few pounds along the way. It was inspiring to see how something so simple could have such a profound impact on her life. Her story is a testament to the power spices hold. They're not just flavor enhancers. They can genuinely transform your health and make you feel like a rock star. So, to recap, we've talked about several spices like turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, and garlic, and how each of them contributes to better health. Each one brings something special to the table, and together they can create a powerhouse of flavor and wellness in your kitchen. Remember, it's all about adding these spices to your daily meals. It doesn't have to be complicated. Incorporating spices into your diet is an easy and delicious way to boost your health. You can sprinkle them on your salads, mix them into your smoothies, or use them to season your main dishes. The key takeaway here is to get creative and have fun with it. Your body will thank you for it. Now, if you're wondering how to start using spices in your everyday cooking, here are a few actionable tips. First, get yourself a spice rack. It doesn't have to be fancy, just a place to keep your spices organized and accessible. Next, try to experiment. Choose 1 or 2 spices you love and start adding them to your favorite recipes. For instance, if you love oatmeal, sprinkle some cinnamon on top. Or if you're roasting vegetables, toss them with olive oil, garlic, and a dash of black pepper. You'll be amazed at how just a little bit can transform the flavor and health benefits of your food. And don't forget to explore new recipes. There are tons of flavorful dishes out there that highlight spices, so don't hesitate to try something new. All right, spice lovers, it's your turn. I want to hear from you. What are your favorite spices to use in cooking? Drop your answers in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to check out my other videos for more health tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our flavorful adventures together. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!